In this video, I'm going to show you how to use freeze frame clone trail effect on Capcut. Make sure that it's downloaded and updated on your phone. So let's open our Capcut application here. So this one. And let's add a new project. Now I have a video here of a man on desert. Now once you have your videos, just tap on style. And then you go to the scene swap option, and then you can tap on the second or the third, the freeze frame effect. So just tap on the second one and then wait for it to generate. Wait for the Capcut to generate the effect, so it will look like this one. So that's how easy the process. Just tap check, or you can adjust as well, and you can just do your thing over here. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.